Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car has 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done just under 16,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.